Hello everybody, hope they are good. The Wick has been filled. That was our main target for the past couple of weeks. And we knew that, even if we were in this sort of a range here, right? We knew that they want to go back to this Wick because that's what they always do. They always go back to fill the Wicks, okay? And you can see that in the 4-hour time frame, the 50 MA, we had several deviations above the 50 MA, but then price eventually came lower, right? As you can see. So that's why also we were expecting that as long as price couldn't come back above the 50 MA, test it as support, okay, and then go higher. So as long as they couldn't do this, like the several times, you can see even here that they didn't test it as support, and then we had this red candle breaking again below it, alright? So as long as they couldn't do that, then we were favoring still lower prices. I was pretty clear with that, alright? So we were favoring the 50% of the week because let me be clear with you guys. As long as they fill at least the 50% of the week, then this week is done for me, right? And you can see they fill the 50%, so let me remove that week, okay? Now, what is interesting to me is that there is still quite a lot of liquidity below, all right? We're gonna go in a minute to high block capital. I'm gonna show you these liquidations here, right? At 25,400. But we also have this trend line, okay? Let me show you in the daily time frame because this is a very interesting level in the chart, all right? You have here, this resistance, price went here, then we saw a sell-off, okay, you can see it there, then price went back to it, we saw another sell-off, so that was a very strong resistance, that was a key level in the chart, and to be honest, if you notice, we haven't tested it as support yet, right? So that's an interesting zone to see how price reacts to, okay, because if we go all the way here, all right, and then we see a bounce, or even a sweep of the lows first, all right, some kind of deviation, then we can even favor higher prices, all right? But if on the other hand, we see, a drop, we lose this level, then we're gonna go lower because there is still quite a lot of liquidity here, okay? You have these two liquidity pools over here, all right? And also in the weekly time frame, you have a week here, all right? That will be the 100% of the week, that will be the 50% of the week. So that will take you, between 22K and 20K, in my opinion, all right? So that's what I'm telling you guys. Be aware because we can still go lower from here, right? But we're gonna go now into lower time frame, right? Let's try to figure out what can happen today because, we are day traders. That's all that matters to us, all right? So far, what I can see is if we go to the 1-hour time frame, you're gonna notice something quite interesting here. In my opinion, this is a 3 taps pattern or a potential 3 taps pattern, okay? We have the first tap here, the second tap here, and now this could be the third tap, but I'm not sure. Let me invert the chart. Sorry. Is that the third tap really? Or are we still due to see another tap here, all right? And then price can reverse. So that's what I'm thinking, guys, all right? I would like to see, also we have a week here. Yes, I mean, this week is filling this week, so it doesn't necessarily need to be filled. That's the rule of the week filling strategy, right? Or at least that's what I see in the chart playing out. So this week over here, it's not compulsory that it gets filled, all right? Because it's filling this previous week. But still, thinking that we might see a 3 taps pattern, all right? Thinking that maybe this is not the third tap. It could be, okay? Because if you see it's at the same level, right? So it could be the third tap. But what I would like to see is, filling the 50% of this week, all right? And then we can go higher. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Again, this might have been the third tap. That's why I'm currently in a long position because I don't want to miss out. But it is still possible that we see another hit to the downside, maybe right at the start of the New York session. The New York session starts in a couple of hours only, all right? And then from here, a bounce. I'm gonna show you now where it will be my target, okay? If you go to the 4-hour time frame, okay, we can see here a liquidity pool, all right? We can see that liquidity pool over there, and we also have the 4-hour 50 MA. So I think eventually it can match maybe to this liquidity pool, and that can be a very important level in the chart, all right? So that's what we're anticipating. We're anticipating today 26,700-ish, all right? So today I'm not gonna go into shorts. Today I'm gonna be looking for longs. Why? Because if we also go to the 1 hour time frame, all right, we can see that today is Thursday. What usually happens on Thursdays? I've been telling you this for quite some time. It's usual that we can see midweek reversals, all right? And that means that, you know, you've had here the weekend range, so the weekend finishes here, all right? And then you can see that we have, right at the start of the week, a false move to the upside that goes all the way to 27,500, all right? Then you have all the week a downtrend, and today is Thursday. So today we can expect a midweek reversal, all right? Where to? Well, in my opinion, it's going to be this zone, 26,700. That's going to be my target. Why? Because if you also notice, that's kind of where we left it at the weekend, all right? So that would take us again to the weekend range. And of course, you have, you know, this liquidity pool, the 4 hour 50 MA, and also this zone over here. It was the previous zone where we saw a sell-off, all right? So why not? I think that we're gonna get here today. That would take us to 26,000. Sorry, 26,000. Let me see. 26,732. All right. If we are lucky, let me remove all this chaos here. All right. If we are lucky, I mean, the New York session starts in a couple of hours. If we are lucky, we can still see this move here. Then we can open our longs here. That's what I'm gonna do. Again, it's not financial advice. And then we can see price going again all the way to this zone. Sometimes I like to invert the chart so I can see it more clearly. And again, I'm not sure if this over here was the third tap. That's what I'm gonna try to catch today, that move. That's what I want to see today in the chart, all right? So I think that was quite clear, guys. We filled the week. We're happy. I was telling you guys, I don't care about these drops here, all right? I'm not happy until they fill the week, and they've already done it. So now I'm happy. CrypNuevo is happy now. If the chart is nice with me today, then yes, that's what I would like to see. Midweek reversal, you know, I see a clear false move right at the start of the week. Then all the week we've been dumping, all right? And now we'd like to see a reversal. Okay, guys, we're in high block capital, liquidation levels in 3 months time frame, and this is what I was talking about. There is a lot of liquidity at 25,600 and of course 25,400. So that's, you know, a very interesting zone of liquidations in the chart. Now, what I was saying right at the start of the week was that I think that this is a room for liquidity. This bounce from 25,800 to 27K. Why? Because I found a bit suspicious that for, you know, $200 or $400, they didn't hit all these liquidations. Instead, they left a massive wick behind, a strong bounce, all right? And in my opinion, that was to induce FOMO in the retail traders, okay? So they thought, okay, that's the dip, I need to buy, I need to go long. I think that was the dip. I'm gonna go long with times 50, times 100 leverage. And those traders with high leverage, they're gonna have their liquidations at this level, 25,400, 25,600. They're gonna have the liquidations in this zone, all right? So at the end of the week, there was going to be a lot more liquidations in this zone than there was before. All right. So, I mean, you can check here, you know, these bars are brighter now than they were a couple of weeks ago, right? That's because what I'm saying, you know, retail goes long, their liquidations are again in this zone. So if the market comes now and hits this level, 25,400, they're going to hit more liquidations. They're going to hit this area in a more efficient way. Because the market is about liquidity and efficiency. Okay, so that's what I think, guys. Now, Now this is speculating, okay? Do I think that they're gonna hit this zone? I do. Do I think they're gonna hit it today? I don't think so. Because today I'm favoring a midweek reversal, okay? I'm favoring higher prices today. I'm favoring longs. I might be wrong with this. You don't need to follow me because this is not financial advice. Just do your own analysis, and then if you have a similar idea than me, maybe you can use my analysis as confluence, but nothing else, okay? So I think that today we might see some kind of midweek reversal. We like that zone at 26,700 for today, and that's what I think. Now, again, this is speculating. I don't think they're gonna hit this zone today. Tomorrow, I'm not sure. Probably neither. Probably neither. Maybe next week. That's what I think, okay? Because they've been here, playing around this zone for 13 days. That's 2 weeks, right? So why not? Maybe they hold this zone still for a couple of days more until maybe next week. That's what I'm thinking. They're taking their time. They are, if today they set a green candle to 26,700 or 800, there is gonna be, more long positions, high leverage with liquidations in this zone. So it would be part of their plan. That's what I'm thinking, okay? So that's what I think, guys. Be very careful. I hope that, this video has been helpful. And now, before I finish this video, I want to talk about something else, okay? Really quickly. I'm collaborating with Bitget because I needed an exchange to trade that doesn't require KYC, because the exchange that I was trading with in the past is not asking for KYC. So with Bitget, I could create an account, deposit, trade, withdraw, all of this without KYC, which I find quite interesting. Now, if you are from the USA, Canada, or Singapore, you are gonna need a VPN to open an account, or ask maybe a friend from somewhere else to open an account for you so you can log in. And we've also come with this campaign for all of you guys that want to use the platform. And if you log in with my referral link in the description, you're gonna get a 15% off trading fees discount for life. Also, when you sign up, you're gonna get $5 bonus, and any deposits between $200 and $1,000 are gonna get a 10% payback. That means that if you, for example, deposit $200, you're gonna get $20 extra, or if you deposit $500, you get 50. If you deposit $1,000, you get 100. There are also another campaign here, okay? You can check it for higher deposits, okay? So for example, if you deposit $20,000, you're gonna get 730 extra. And also, if you deposit even more, well, you can get even more rewards, but then you're also gonna need trading volume. But for these deposits between $200 and $1,000, you don't need trading volume, okay? You need to deposit, and then you're gonna get some money back. And what I'm gonna say now, in my opinion, is the most interesting part, okay? Because you guys know that the trading course is full until July included. It got full very quickly. What I did was to spare 10 places, okay? So there are 10 places there that I saved for a giveaway, okay? 10 places for July. So anybody that is registering with my referral link and depositing at least $100, then it's gonna participate this giveaway and can win a slot in the trading course for free. I'm going to announce the 10 winners in 5 days, the 30th of May. So feel free to participate. You still have 5 days to participate. And I wish you good luck. And of course, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you soon.